Okay then, Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. Alright, we have a delightful piece here. Now let us have a bit of a look. I'll try and get over there. I've got to stumble over all this stuff. And Ninja-san decided to come out for whatever reason. Maybe he's hungry again. He's looking a bit hungry. Right then, now what we know about this bell, our conservative estimates, we're giving around 1920s, 1930s, something like that. But from what we know of it, it was used inside a temple, where generally a secondary bell is placed outside near the door. Now, conservatively, we say it's about that age, because it does have, just plunk this there, that will be included, that's new. Now it does have quite a lot of patina, and we wonder as to why that is. So in likelihood, and you see there's spots of patina all over it, and especially down here. And so we do guess that it may very well be a lot older. It's just hard to tell due to being an inside bell. Now, everything about it is tremendous. It's gorgeous. No cracks. Fantastic sound. That there is part of where the casting as they break it from the mould. And you find that this striking point, well, this striking point here has clearly been used more than this side. Yeah, right, let's see, it may have had script in it at one stage. It may have. We are uncertain as to whether to be able to determine that. Okay, now let us get to the sound. Okay, right then. Oh, sorry, today it's late afternoon. I've been at it all day, so I'm pretty tired, but soldier on I will. Okay then, now I'll try and stumble around these things and righty-ho. Now, let us have a look. I'm going to use the chamfer. This, as I said, is included, and here we go. Still reverberating. There's the lightest. I've only struck this a few times, and that's the lightest of strike. I'll try and give it a little bit higher, a little bit harder. And still going. Fantastic reverberation. Still going. And still here. As I don't know if I'm holding the camera too close or not. Sometimes that happens when the sound gets a bit... I'll try it a bit further away then. Fantastic. There you are. Beautiful condition. Just everywhere. Everything about it is tremendous. Well. Now what I'll do is I plan to send it via cell economy air. Fantastic. Cell economy air. And right, as I say, that will be included. I'll put it up at low price to begin with, to give some of you, to generate some fighting interest. But yeah, definitely definitely recommend this piece for those of you that would like to have maybe your own personal bell, or a bell that you would have your own script, your own family name inscribed, stamped, if you will, in these sections here. You know, it's well prepared for that. And therefore, right, that's that. I'm going to get on to trying to sort out that. I'm still going, and all that over there. It's not easy. It's just right. Just keep on fighting. I'm gonna have to pack that at one stage too. A beautiful piece. Okie dokie. Right, I won't forget that. I'll put that together. As I say, Cell Economy Air. Yeah, fight for it. I definitely recommend it. And obviously check out my other awesome bell from 1625. Someone decided to buy it, and then I said, okay, I'll be alright with that offer. And then they said, oh, and once I clicked on the offer and clicked yes, he's got this message, oh, but you're paying for the freight. I'm like, no. So that's that happens sometimes. But that's the way it is. And someone else obviously deserves it. And someone also deserves this. So whomever you shall be, you will be the very next person to strike this bell. Although I'd like to keep striking it, because it's fantastic. Alright, that's that. And I'm going to go get some coffees as soon as I do at least something with some of this. I wonder, is anyone, maybe someone would be interested in these, over here, these stone Buddhist Jizo. These were used at some grave sites, and sometimes when a road goes through some of these places, eventually they're not as old as I've seen many. Here's a wonderful example over here. That's really cool. That's like 30 kilos or something like that. They're like 20 each. Let me know. I've got all kinds of stuff, obviously, so just keep watching what I do, because what I do is pretty cool. Alright, enjoy. Be good.